Today I am excited to share you a new dashcam for your car. VIOFO sent me the product and I think it would be nice to review for all of you who looking for a good dashcam. The one in my hand here is VIOFO A139 triple channel dashcam. Take a look at the box, you can tell it is well packed. On the side we have description about the camera itself, and on the right side it is the main feature what the camera can do. We will cover about that in a minute. Another side is accessory what include in the box. Alright, now let's unbox and take a look what inside the box here. On the top we have a main dashcam which packed in a small bag. It's capable of recording 2K footage. Then we have a secret adapter. It is used to power up the camera itself. And then we got another two camera for interior and the back of your car. Both of them can record at 1080p footage. The wire to connect each camera to the main one. You also got USB Type-C, which you can also use to power up your camera as well. A card reader for you to copy the footage. You also got circular polarized lens in case you need it. A 64GB VIOFO micro SD card. You also got the opener when you need to change or move it to the new position. You also have a small book which fully tells you everything about camera. The red small adhesive sticker is for you to put the camera and keep it stay in place. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to install, set up and kinda show you the footage about the camera too. Take a look on the camera itself. So on the top we have AV, and then we have the microphone in case if you want an external microphone you can plug it in. And then we have the slot for the rear camera including interior, and the USB Type-C to power up your camera. And then from here we have the power button, record. This will lock the current footage to avoid being overwritten by loop recording. And then we have the physical button for you to turn on or turn off audio recording while you record the footage, and the Wi-Fi icon for you to enable it and connect it with your phone. And on the side we have the slot for micro SD card. So now let's power up this camera. For now I will use this USB Type-C for demonstration purposes, but first you need to make sure you put your SD card before you power up your camera. So now let me put it in. Once you plug in the USB Type-C, it is automatically turned on. Now in order to connect your iPhone with the camera, you need to download the app. So you need to go into the App Store and search for VIOFO. But for now you need to connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera. So make sure you hold on the Wi-Fi button for around like 5 seconds. Now we have the Wi-Fi is blinking. So you need to go into setting, and then on the Wi-Fi you can see the camera itself, so make sure you select on it. The password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now it has been connected, so I can go back into VIOFO app, and you can see we have the live view here of the camera. So now let me go into setting here. We have the video resolution. And for the main camera, it allows you to record up to 2K at 60 frames per second. And we also have like time-lapse recording, loop recording, and if you like to record an audio as well, if you can enable this button. And then from here we have the notification sound. So like if you turn it all on, you're gonna see it is beeping, just like that. So if you don't want to hear it, you can also turn it off as well. So you can only use the startup sound only. So I can click on OK now, and now the sound will be turned off. And then we have the camera name. If you would like to rename, just go ahead and rename here. We have the password if you like to change the password of the camera. And you also see the free space of your micro SD card. So now we have 51GB left. And now let's go into the car, and then we're gonna install the camera and see the footage from the camera itself. To install the dashcam, it is very easy. The main camera will stick to the windshield, and the one with infrared or the flashlight will stick to the windshield as well. It is the interior camera, and another one will go to the back, where it is going to view the back of your car. Like you have seen from the footage, I think this is a good dash cam. With the main camera that you can record up to 2K at 60 frames per second and the other two with 1080p. Talking about the quality of the footage, it is very good. And the thing I like about this camera, it is very wide, so which means that you can see on the left side and on the right side just like from your naked eye. The one main feature that I like about VIOFO A139 is the Wi-Fi, that I can connect my phone with the camera and I can change the settings. I can view the footage or record the footage using my phone, so it is a very important feature. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about VIOFO A139, you can go ahead and click from the link in my video description for more detail.